Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn work energy theorem. If you are looking to learn smarter, not harder, you are in the right place. First, statement of work energy theorem. The change in kinetic energy of a particle is equal to the work done on it by the net force acting on it. Mathematically, it is represented by W is equal to KEF minus KEI, where W stands for work done on the object, KEF stands for final kinetic energy of the object, KEI for initial kinetic energy of the object. किसी वस्तु पर लगाए गए कुल बल द्वारा किया गया कार्य उस वस्तु की गतिज ऊर्जा में परिवर्तन के बराबर होता है। यहाँ पर कुल बल द्वारा किया गया कार्य W है, KEF अंतिम गतिज ऊर्जा है, KEI प्रारंभिक गतिज ऊर्जा है, KEF माइनस KEI गतिज ऊर्जा में परिवर्तन को प्रदर्शित करता है। Let us consider a body of mass m is moving on a horizontal frictionless surface along a straight line with speed u. At that time, kinetic energy of the object is half mu square. On application of a constant force F, it gets accelerated at the rate of a. In a course of journey S, if it attains a velocity v, then at that time kinetic energy of that object is half mv square. Now, the motion of body is described by the equation v square minus u square is equal to 2as, or as is equal to v square upon 2 minus u square by 2. We multiply both sides by m of as is equal to v square by 2 minus u square by 2, and we get this MAS is equal to half mv square minus half mu square. Now, according to Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to ma. Therefore, this equation becomes F into S is equal to half mv square minus half mu square. Now, W is equal to Fs, where W is the work done, and we know that work done is equal to force into distance moved in the direction of force. Therefore, W is equal to half mv square minus half mu square. And finally, we got mathematical form of work energy theorem. And from this equation, we can say that the change in kinetic energy of a particle is equal to the work done on it by the net force acting on it. किसी वस्तु पर लगाए गए कुल बल द्वारा किया गया कार्य उस वस्तु की गतिज ऊर्जा में परिवर्तन के बराबर होता है। Thank you everyone. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.